What shall I do today? Maybe it's time I pull the Ohio fireworks motorcycle. What's the weather like in Ohio?
It's currently cloudy and 45 degrees in Columbus, Ohio.
Yo, 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 your boy Moto Hundo's back in action. How's everybody doing? That's almost the end of the year. 2020 was a rough one, but it's almost over, y'all. You gotta put new stuff into work, put new plans in action, you know. So today I decided I'm gonna do an Ohio motorcycle fireworks prank.
Moto Hundo.
Yeah, so your boy Moto Hundo got a mission today, guys. The Ohio fireworks motorcycle prank. I plan on rolling up on my brother. I told him that I wanted to go to Ohio to buy some fireworks. So he expected me to come over there. So yeah, I'm gonna pull up on the motorcycle and be like, yeah, you ready to go get these fireworks? We gonna see his reaction. Not sure how much of a prank it really is, but it's worth a MotoVlog. So, you know, doing these motovlogs every day, you figure out different things, you know, you figure out different techniques and fine tuning. It really helps you out, man. I'm kind of mad I don't got my gloves. I couldn't find it today. My hands are a little cold with these. But it's not that bad out tonight. It's just a little slippery, so you got to make sure, you know, when it's cold out, when it's wet out, or been wet, you want to stick your brakes a bit, man. You want to pop that, tap that back brake some, you know. Get some of that coldness, that moisture, like get that junk heating up. Warm them tires up, man. You want to pop your front brake, you know. You want to drag them a little bit. We had an incident last week, man, on the originals run, where my brother pulled out. One of my other brothers, he pulled out, and you know, the tires might have been a little bit slippery, so when he came out, it kind of slipped on him. He kind of lost it a little bit, but he fell nice and smooth to the point where it wasn't that bad of a hit. I'm on. Oh! Slipped that bitch. Yeah, I just came out, man, pulling down my block. I kind of slipped a bit. We got that on record, though. We're going to show it. But see, the real reason I plan on going to Ohio, my dad, he passed away on New Year's Day. And you know, New Year's Day, you know, in a lot of big cities, they shoot fireworks, man. It's a new year. Bust some fireworks. Right here, we always just shot guns, you know. But I'm gonna start a new tradition, man. My dad passed on the 1st, so every year on the 1st, I'm busting off at least one firework in his honor, you know. I don't even think I'm gonna put no gas in. I wasn't. Oh yeah, I do gotta stop. I gotta switch my camera up. I want to stop somewhere else though. I just kind of broke my little helmet cam off. Hopefully it ain't messed up too bad. It's always trials and tribulations with everything you do, man. I'm starting to really learn that. But if you ain't conducting no trials, you ain't moving no progress. You ain't making no forward progress. See my man's up here. Check out some work. Oh yeah, he nice with it. Yo. Good work, man. Good work. Can I find your work somewhere? I got you. I got it. I'm gonna look it up and stuff, because I want to get into murals. I might want to get some murals done.
Oh, okay, no problem.
Hey, this is nice. All right, peace, man. Stay creating. And just shout out to the local people. Go get some gas, man. Yeah, you got some good work, man. That was a nice detail on that. That's right here in the city, boy. Right here on Moraine. I don't know who that was. They ain't stopped, so I ain't stopping. Take this gas brake real quick, and I'm gonna change my camera up. I'm gonna put it on my helmet there. Try to pull up real close, and hopefully he don't see me. This cold and wet weather, you don't want to, you definitely don't want to be doing no real sharp movements. Straight lines, bro. See, like that, that's a little too sharp, buddy. On the bike for sure when it's slick. All that just to get one spot ahead. And you know, with a motorcycle, we gonna get all the way ahead, so it don't even matter. Doing all right? Good to see you, for sure. Yeah, man. Local people around here, man. People staying up, man. People trying to really keep the community together, I guess, man. But it's hard. It's hard, man, when there's a lot going on, man. Ain't nobody got no more morals. Ain't nobody got no rules. Everybody just doing what they want to do, man. It's crazy. Only time I feel like I ain't got no rules is when I'm on the bike. Let me stop playing, though. Yeah, buddy, going over here to Grosse Pointe, man, where I know I'm safe. Gas on low. Yeah, my hands definitely cold up in these puppies, boy. You know, you want to warm up, man. These ain't enough to hold you down in the cold. I never suggest riding in the cold weather without a good pair of gloves. 2 pair of gloves, socks on your hands, whatever you got to do, man. Keep it warm, because my hands is on ice right now. Other than that, I'm straight. Moto Hundo, baby, we riding any weather.
Moto Hundo.
So wish I had them gloves, though. Make this gas trip real quick. The bike out so we can go over here to Ohio. You act like you don't want to go to Ohio.
I want to go to Ohio.
Ready to go to Ohio? What's up, dog? You ready to go to Ohio? Yeah.
This thing crazy. Ain't like you been that.
Yeah, everybody take the bikes, dog.
Oh, hell no.
Yeah, man.
This thing crazy. I ride all the way up there.
That should be
I
fun.
ride up there first.
Nah, let me stop playing, man. I'm about to just, we gonna go in the car, though, man, for sure.
Moto Hundo. Moto Hundo. Subscribe.